Hi guys, welcome back to my amazing kitchen. And if you are new here, kindly click on that subscribe button right now and join the amazing family today. In this video, we are going to be making some delicious marinade that is all-purpose. You can use it for practically anything, but I like to use it as chicken marinade. And that's why I'm calling it that, but you can use it for everything. So come along and let's get started. I'll be using some red bell peppers, and I have this longish sweet paprika as well, but any of the two will do, but I like the combination. I also have some habanero, ginger, a lot of garlic. I have some red onion and one large white onion as well. I also have one big sprig of rosemary, but you may use any herbs you prefer. I have here some fennel seeds, a thyme, and some aniseed. And I also have some calabash nutmeg or African nutmeg. I'm going to be using some coriander seeds and some cloves. And as always, I will list them down below. First, I'm going to deseed my bell peppers and chop them off roughly. And I'm also going to do the same with the longish type. Next, you want to transfer them onto a lined baking sheet and drizzle with a little bit of olive oil, and then add some of your rosemary or the herbs you'll be using, and then a little bit of your garlic, and pop it into your oven. We are going to roast this at 180 for about 20 to 25 minutes. In the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and grind all my spices and seeds and get them ready. Because I have a lot to grind, I will do it in 2 batches just to get it really smooth and fine. Now chop up all your ginger and your onion and make it ready for the blender. Once everything is chopped up, you want to transfer it into your blender together with your pepper, and then set it aside and wait for your roasted peppers. My peppers are now beautifully roasted. I'm going to allow it to cool down slightly and then add it to the rest of the ingredients. If you are using a plastic blender cup, you may need to allow it to cool completely before you add it. So add your peppers together with your spices and then blend everything together until you get a very smooth and thick consistency. Make sure not to add water to your mixture, but rather add about half a cup of oil to blend everything very beautifully. And just like that, our beautiful marinade is ready. So thick, so glossy. I'm going to transfer it into a jar. Add about a tablespoon of oil just to preserve it, and then pop it into my fridge. It will last up to 4 to 6 weeks in your fridge and in the freezer for up to 6 months. And because I made a big batch for Christmas, I'm going to freeze the rest in these cute ice cube containers, and I love them because they have a lid. I got this from the blocker. I'm going to transfer this into my freezer, and when they are solid frozen, I will just keep them in my Ziploc bag and use them in my soups, my stews, my jollof, so many things you can use them. This is that marinade, and the only marinade you need this Christmas. So if you don't have any idea yet for your bronya chicken, yes, for your Christmas chicken, I hope you try my lovely marinade and enjoy yourself this Christmas. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.